In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to systeme.io. We're going to take your own web address and point it to your systeme.io site so visitors see your pages on your custom domain. The process is straightforward. You'll log in, add your domain inside systeme.io, and then use the DNS records they provide to connect everything. I'll explain what those records mean and how to avoid common pitfalls so the connection goes smoothly. Start by signing into your systeme.io account. Make sure you're in the right workspace if you manage more than one. Once you're in, head to Settings, then open the Domains section. Here, click Add Domain. This is where you tell system.io which web address you want to use. You can connect your root domain, like yourdomain.com, or a subdomain, like www.yourdomain.com or courses.yourdomain.com. Many people choose www, so the main brand address stays clean, but either option works. Type your domain exactly as you want it to appear and click Next. Systeme.io will now generate the DNS records needed to link your domain. You'll typically see either a sname or an A record, sometimes both, depending on how your domain is set up. A quick primer: a sname record points one name to another name, often used for subdomains such as www. An A record points your domain directly to an IP address. Systeme.io tells you precisely which record types, names, and values to use. Copy them carefully. You'll add these records where your domain is managed, which is usually your domain registrar or DNS host. Open your DNS manager in a separate tab, paste the records exactly as provided, and keep the default TTL unless you know you need something different. If there's an existing record with the same name, like an old A record for the root domain or a CNAME for www, remove or update it so it doesn't conflict. Accuracy matters here. Even a small typo can break the connection. After saving your DNS changes, give the internet time to update. Propagation can be quick, but it may take up to 24-48 hours in some cases. Once the records are live, systeme.io will detect them and your domain will be connected. You can test by visiting your domain in a private browser window. If it doesn't load right away, wait a bit longer, then double check for typos or duplicate records. When everything's correct, your domain will route to systeme.io, and the platform will typically handle the security certificate automatically, so your site loads securely. That's all you need to get your custom domain working with systeme.io.